Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to your computer class. Today we are going to learn about memory and its type. Memory. A computer is just like a human memory. It is used to store data and instructions. It remembers all the things stored in it, and when we give commands to it, it fetches the information from its memory. Computer memory is a storage space in a computer where data is processed and instructions required for processing are stored. When any computer program starts, it is first loaded in its memory. Binary languages. The language that a computer can only understand is called binary language. The binary language consists of zeros and ones. Computer can understand only two commands: on, that represented by 1, and off, that represented by 0. Bits and bytes. A bit is the smallest unit of information that can be stored in a computer. It reflects a single unit of information indicating a single 0 and 1. And a byte represents 8 bits. You can see the chart here. Please avoid the chart that is there in your book on page number 16. Please follow this chart. It is the easier way to memorize the memory units. Types of memory. Computer memory are two types: primary memory and secondary memory. The primary memory is two types: RAM and ROM. And here you can see many types of secondary memory as hard disk, floppy disk, CD, DVD, pen drive, and many things more. Primary memory. This memory is also known as the internal or the main memory of the computer. It holds only those data and instructions on which the computer is currently working. A computer cannot run without primary memory. This primary memory works faster than secondary memory. The two types of primary memory is RAM and ROM. And the first thing we are going to learn is RAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It is a read or write memory. It is the main memory of the computer. It allows the data to be executed and stored for a limited amount of time. That means it is volatile in nature. The data is lost when the power is turned off. ROM. Read-only memory. It stores the data permanently in the computer. That means it is non-volatile in nature. It is a read-only memory. It stores essential information which can be read-only but not edited. ROM is used for storing a special software called BIOS, the basic input-output system. Next is secondary memory. Here in your book, you can see some examples of secondary memory. The secondary memory is also called the external memory of the computer system. This memory is non-volatile in nature and stores data permanently. As the primary memory has less storage capacity, the secondary memory has more storage capacity than the primary memory. The secondary memory is also called auxiliary storage. Some examples of secondary memory are hard disk, SSD disk, floppy disk, CD, DVD, pen drive, memory card, etc. You have already learned about the secondary memory in your previous classes. So it's the task for you to read the book thoroughly about these memories. Read the part of secondary memory by yourself. And if you find any difficulty, feel free to contact me through WhatsApp text or voice message in my WhatsApp number. Take care. Thank you.